Jake Paul's method of making money and garnering attention is the topic, or is modern day audience only willing to give a buck or a minute of attention to something that is off the wall? See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Why is there so much money and attention given to Jake Paul versus Mike Tyson at the age of 60, as opposed to some of the most talented, gifted, hardworking boxers that put on the most insane performances and they're getting 10% of that kind of money or that kind of attention?
If Jake Paul was just like this, say he was this 100,000 follower subscriber on YouTube, and he said like, listen, I'm going to take my audience now across to Netflix and I want to promote a boxing fight, you reckon he would have had the same fame or same
That's a good question.
viewership? So I think a lot of these guys now, and The Rock does it, Ryan Reynolds did with Wixon, is they use their fame that they've generated over 10,000 hours within their skill set and took it into a business opportunity. And same with the aviation gen that he launched with this soccer thing he's doing, and then use that star power to promote the shit out of this thing and make money out of it.